To create folders and organize your app drawer apps on a Samsung A36 5G, all you have to do is just to click and hold on the icon that you want to move, and now just simply move it above another icon. And now just release. As you can see, the folder was created, so by tapping here you can set the folder name, and also can quickly add multiple apps by selecting plus icon, and now select any application you want to put here. Then click done, and it will be finished. Now as you can see, the folder appears right here. And now if you try to move it, as you can see, you are unable, because here you can find different selection for grid on apps and folders. If you create another folders like this, you can change position of them. So let me quickly show you. Click and hold it, and now we can replace. Okay, it's not working anymore. They actually removed this option, but on the previous versions, we were able to do this.